Cutting is an important tool in this project, and there are several ways to go about it. Cutting will help you because you might have more than one color or more than three colors in your project. There might be a color you do not want. So you can always right-click, edit, and cut to remove things. Let me undo that. Make sure you have the layer that you want to cut selected. This is why it might be a good idea to merge all layers together. Let's go over a few ways of selecting things to cut out of our picture. First, we have the rectangle select tool. I can drag this to get a rectangle selection. Now I can pull this out and move this around to where I want it to go. But when I'm done, I can right-click, edit, and cut. And now it has been removed. There's also the Ellipse Select tool. Now, when you have something highlighted, you can get rid of that selection by just clicking down once with any of your tools. So if you're lost and you have too many things highlighted, click on the rectangle tool and click once. Let's use the circle selector, or ellipse selector, or oval selector. Now you see a square, but the thing that is selected is the circle. I can again right-click, edit, and cut to cut that out of my image. If I left-click once, I unselect it, and this is what my image will look like. The third selecting tool is the scissors. And this is very tricky, but if you're good with the scissors, you can do quite a lot. The scissors lets you place little dots that are connected. And once you've completed the circle, or the image that you're trying to make, connect to the beginning and press left click in the middle of the thing you want cut. Now I can right click, edit, and cut. And I can cut out very weird shapes. Another advantage to this is the ability to move around these dots. Before you left click in the middle, you can drag the dots around. It is a neat way to cut out what you want. And cut. You'll notice that I have trouble unselecting things with the scissors tool. That is okay. Again, go to the rectangle tool, tap down once, and everything's unselected. The final selection tool is the fuzzy selection, also called the wizard tool. This is magical. What you do is you select a color, and it will highlight the entire color. And then I can right-click, edit, and cut. If I wanted to select this black area here, right-click, edit, cut. Or perhaps I didn't want the red in my picture. I want to add blue in the middle, so I can't have red. That would make 4 colors. So I'm going to right-click, edit, and cut. And now I'm down to 2 colors, and I can add a third one later. You'll notice with this selection that it doesn't work right all the time. Also, apparently, it doesn't select off. What I did is I hit my layers and then clicked down here. But eventually it went away. You'll notice that there is some red left. This is okay, because our vinyl cutter software will take care of the rest. I'm going to undo this. And there we go.